Can you hear that? That noise is the noise of a crap working day. I hate rain days. So it's still raining, waiting for my lift. Got no motivation whatsoever. Just want today to hurry up and end. Hello YouTubers, so I've been picked up and finally on our way to our destination really. That looks wet, doesn't it? Very wet. Oh, I'm gonna have to edit that out now, you cunt. Look how wet that is. It's wet, isn't it, Snuffy?
Like your sister's on.
Oh, for fuck's sake. My boss has just asked me to open the gate, which I did, and he didn't want the gates escaping. He's going to be like, well, where the bloody hell were you? Why didn't you come up? Oh shit, here he comes. Is he going to be pissed? I don't know. Hello YouTubers, it is another wet one, but it's Friday, so it's manageable, you know. It's crap. I don't like working in this sort of weather. Just been chipping today. What have I done? I'll show you. No? Wrong. The old chipper. Chipping it in the old trailer. It is easing off the rain. It's hardly raining now, but it's soaked already, you know. It's not what you want early in the morning. But hey ho, that is the way the cookie crumbles.